Oh, here's a bit of a... Oh, hello all. Weather's not the best. Let me wipe this off for you. I've just come through Arthur's Pass and it was terrible. Go over this big peak, tight twisty road. I was going to film it, but it was so wet you wouldn't have been able to see a thing. I've come out the other side of it. My gloves, waterproof gloves, I don't think so. They are soaked. Problem is I can't get my hand in there. They're so soaked that I can't, because it's got a line on the neck and I can't get them in properly. So I'm in a spot of bother. Probably should use my other ones. But I want to take some film and I want to get out of here. Problem is the one for the clutch, it's not much good when you can't get your hands in the glove, because using the clutch is going to be a nightmare. Oh, you can probably see, oh, my finger's there. It's like there, it's not even... How am I going to look? Turn the clutch. This is not impossible. If I don't put my gloves on, it's about 4 degrees. It's absolutely freezing. As you can see, the snow just over there. Oh, this is ridiculous. Oh, go in for me. Do it for me, buddy. Do it for me. It's really nice scenery too. Oh, can I use those? Oh, I could probably just get away with it. Whoa, it's windy. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going to get blown off in a minute. Oh, hang on, I'll start it up, that'll help. Oh, this is actually unsafe with those gloves. Hang on, let me try and get him in a bit further. Oh, come on. I want to get out of here. The rain's coming from over there. That's Arthur's Pass, back over there. You can see it, but there's a huge rain cloud over there. It's sort of drifting down this way, so I've got to get out of here. I don't want it to catch up to me. Okay. I think you'll enjoy the scenery down here. I know I will. I'm absolutely soaking wet. Oh yeah, this is beautiful down here. Oh, it's good to have a dry road. Yeah, I was coming over that Arthur's Pass. You know, you're talking like 15, 20k hour bends, wet, and there was like a kilometre of it was of dirt and gravel. Oh yeah. A good mixture that is. Oh, it's beautiful down here. You gotta love these mountain streams. They're just everywhere. Coming down from the glaciers. And you gotta love the glacier water too. The colour of the water is just beautiful. You can see the snow up on the mountain peak up there too. If I can turn my head. My shoes are waterlogged. I literally had, it felt like a lake in the bottom of my shoes. My jacket, that's waterlogged. I've got rain pants on. Fat load of good they did. Because everything's soaked underneath those as well. Oh yeah. Beautiful view. Apparently it's 25, top temperature 25 degrees in Christchurch today, and I'm heading there now. I'm still about 140 kilometres away, So, and where I am at the moment, it feels like about 5. Mind you, I'm soaking wet, so it's probably colder than what it actually is. Oh yeah, what about this for a view? Oh yeah, gotta love this. Good to see some sunshine too. How's the expanse of that river, those riverbeds? It's huge. Oh, I've turned on the camera at a great time. I thought it might be good down here. So over there in the distance is just rain galore over there. Mount Whitebridge, Horden Valley. We'll keep going. Oh yeah, give me sunshine. See these, this is just totally soaked. Oh gee. And I've got 3 wind cheaters underneath and they're just soaked. I stopped at a hotel just before I went up into Arthur's Pass, and I was wet then as well. It's been raining all the way. I left Hokitika this morning. Oh yeah, God, I love those mountains in the distance. Just check out the contours of the rock. Don't know if you can actually get a good view of it. It's probably a bit far away. That's just incredible. Yeah, it's been raining all the way from Hokitika. It was absolutely bucketing down because I've had a really good one. About 90% of this trip so far has been totally fine. Oh, this bloke's right on the edge. This is not good. Yeah, move over. Thanks, bud. Yeah, so I've had a good run. I'm now on my what am I on? My 7th day? No, sorry, I'm on my 6th day today. Oh yeah. Oh geez, that was strong wind there. Just moved the whole bike to the left. Oh, I can. Sorry about that, but that was pretty bad. Wow. Look at this rock. See how it's all grey up. Whoa, a lot of it's grey at the top. I assume that's where the snow was, which has created that, and it's melted away and left that big grey expanse on the top of it there. Oh jeez, you can probably see the bike. I'm having trouble keeping it upright straight at the moment. It's starting to go, I'm starting to lean on an angle. I'm supposed to be going straight line. We're on a 45-degree angle. It's basically going across, the wind's going that direction. So oh yeah, you gotta love that ride. There's a tiny bit of snow on those up the top over there, but those ones, oh, this is fantastic down here. Oh, it's getting pretty bad. You can probably see the lean of the bike as I'm trying to keep it upright. Oh. Hang on to it, buddy, hang on to it. There's that rock. How cool is that? Oh, it's going to get even better as we go up through here, because they're just everywhere.